County, eastern Carroll County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Carrollton, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owenton, Werthville, Monterey, and Gratz. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now looking at